Yeah.
Everybody, take your fucking clothes off. Hurry up. You look good.
Another one for the road, a young nigga on go.
Yo, started out with nothing, all my niggas had a dream. We just came up from the bottom, now it's WoeLife, that's the team. Remember, didn't even have a fucking pair of jeans. Now I wake up, you see the WoeLife on the sleeve. Ooh, check it, we out here breaking records. You know what I do to records. My last bitch was super reckless, and my heart broke. I just pray that God protect me on my journey. Told these niggas they be hating, but I keep good attorneys. 750, bubble with me, that's the kid I give a kidney. I ain't kidding, try to touch his plate, I'm gon' hit your biscuit. Make you strip like Blizzard, y'all want the juice like Bishop. Okay, that's cool, you just gotta go fall off the roof to get it. They said I couldn't, then I did it. So I don't listen to the critics or none of you bitch niggas that's on guard. And I ain't too religious, but with these bars I knock spirits out you niggas. How dare you go rap my life then go on about your business? Like, how you gon' rap my life if you ain't never lived it? Got a question, besides your rap book, you ever had a sentence? No? I bet, then how the fuck is you gon' deliver this message? And in the truth, I ain't proud about that shit, but I ain't raw with no dad, and I done tried about that shit. With this Michelin style, I'm coming through, I'm authentic. I own everything, the studio ain't even running. I see envy in they eyes, but I act like I don't see it. These niggas say they with me, but I don't believe it. If you really with me when you heard that bar, you ain't even questioning. When it come to counting these bands, bitch, I'm a specialist. I don't put my bands on the gram, that's that extra shit. I done made bands off of grams and had to stash the shit. Cereal box or even tucked away in mattresses. Even had knots tucked in dirty ass socks. Cousin, yeah, I'm from a block bunk. How dare you even ask me this? Damn, I miss my nasty bitch. She sucked this dick so passionate. She sucked this dick so passionate.
Another one for the road, a young nigga